Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome in this video. I'm glad to share with you AI-based nurse shift handover assistant. So this project is a part of AI agents intensive vibe coding capstone project. The AI-based nurse shift handover assistant is an intelligent application developed to simplify communication during nurse shift changes. Why it's important or interesting problem to solve? Nurse shift handovers are one of the most critical communication points in healthcare. Nurses must review large volumes of patient notes and summarize essential clinical information before transferring responsibility to the next shifts. This process is often time-consuming, repetitive, and susceptible to human error, especially in busy hospital events. So for that, we try to transform this data into well-organized handover report following the internationally recognized ISBAR identification, situation, background, assessment, and recommendation framework. By automating report preparation, the system minimizes communication errors, reduces documentation time, and contributes to safer patient care. Why do agents solve this problem? This problem is particularly well suited for AI agents because it requires more than simple text summarization. The system must interact with users, retrieve relevant patient information, coordinate multiple processing steps, and generate structured output. Let's move to the system workflow. The system is divided into 6 parts. First part, user request. Nurse interacts with the assistant via web user interface or CLI. System initialization. Third part, data retrieval. The tool fetches raw medical records from the selected patient and shift. AI processing and summarization using Gemini models. Report generation into ISBAR format. 6 part, output and artifacts. Feedback loop into the nurse. Technology used: Google EDK, Agent Development Kit, Gemini, Python, and local text files as the initial patient data source, with a design that can easily be extended to Google Cloud Storage and BigQuery for production deployment. Let's move into demo part. To launch the project, I need to put this command: make install and make web. On Windows, I use WSL. Now I need to navigate into project. I navigate into project. This is the content of the project. I put make install. I install all important libraries. Let's launch the project. Make web. This is the result. I try to visit this link, localhost port 80. So this is the web user interface. I visit the agent project, nurse. Let's put, for example, a message hi and see the response. So this is the result. When I put hi, hello, I'm nurse shift handover assistant. I'm here to help streamline your shift handover process by automatically generating comprehensive reports. I see you have an available shift today from 2 and your patient is. How can I assist you today? Here I'm using a free subscription, so I exceeded the limited quota. I wish this video will be helpful for you and we will meet in other videos.